All right, you guys, so this is the third bedroom in my apartment. Right now it's kind of all over the place. I just sewed the bed frame, so now I just have the mattress, but I'm just gonna get rid of that. I have everything everywhere right now, but this is the room that I'm going to be making into a walk-in closet. I'm going to be painting this wall. It's just one tiny wall in the room. It's not major, it's not big. That's just it right there. I'm going to be painting that one gray to add some color to this room, make it look cute and pretty. Finally getting rid of the mattress out of this room. I guess that's another step done, and then I'm gonna do my thing. Okay, now I'm literally just gonna move everything that's on the wall to this corner to get it out of the way so I can start working on painting the wall.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
Now I'm going to tape around where I don't want to get paint on. Yeah.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
So I came up with this idea to where with the tape we're gonna create like our own abstract-ish design on the wall. So then when I paint and we take the tape off, it'll look more of a pattern than just a plain gray wall. Kind of like an accent wall, I would say. So let's see how this turns out. He's like working on the pattern right now.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Okay, so this is the finishing taped up abstract-y look wall. That's our design. I think it looks pretty nice, but we will see what it looks like after we paint it. So the next step, ladies and gentlemen, is the paint. So I have this gray, gloss smoke gray that I've actually used before, as you can see. I'm just gonna dump this in here, and then yeah. I just use a butter knife, and you just kind of like pop it open, get your paint thing and dump it in there.
You're gonna need to get some more.
Huh?
You're gonna need to get some more.
Of the paint, and then I just realized it's the focus.
Right?
I'm talking to Aiden. And then with your handy dandy stick, you kind of, you know, just mix it up, make sure there's no air bubbles in there. I'm not a professional, okay, so I'm kind of just doing this amateur-wise, but it seems to work. Yeah! I painted a few walls in the house already, so this time I was like, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. This paper to put under the thing, so that way, like, when you dip the paintbrush in and out, and it drips, don't get it on the floor. So let me go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you guys what it's like. So that's my little setup. You know, I kind of just put it under there so that way when you put the paintbrush in and out, it doesn't drip on your floor. Let's get started.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for.
So now we want to kind of just let that first coat dry, and then you want to add another coat in like 20 minutes, and then we're solid, I would say. It's time for the second coat.
This all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right.
So I am done painting the wall. I only did 2 coats. I don't want it to be so dark, but I will start filming again tomorrow to show you guys the finishing look of my wall. Okay, so it is the next morning and the wall is pretty much all dry now. We're gonna take the tape off and see what this masterpiece looks like, or disaster. We'll see.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you?
Okay, so this is our finishing do-it-yourself abstract wall. I think it looks really good for, you know, some amateur status type of stuff. Let me know if you want to hire me to do your wall. Thank you very much. The only thing I will say is that I wish I taped it a little bit better because the edges are a little bit like bumpy. But apart from that, it's actually a really good wall. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching my very amateur-ish do-it-yourself abstract wall painting job. I don't know if you guys like these kind of videos. Let me know. I do a lot of these home projects because I'm home almost all the time. Even if we're not in quarantine, I'm always home. So let me know. I can show you guys the rest of the projects that I'm doing too.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?